Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have a Precalculus type of a question from the topic of Analytic Study of Lines. Let's solve it together. Write the equation of the line T if it is parallel to line L. So line T and line L, they are parallel to each other. If two lines are parallel to each other, and what can we say about their slope? Their slope must be equal to each other. So we're looking for the equation of the line T. We don't know its slope, but we can find the slope of the line L. To do that, there are different ways of doing it, but let me show you the one way. The coordinates of this point is x is 3 and y is 0. And this point, the value of x is 0 and y is negative 3. And to find the slope of ML, we're just going to use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 formula. So in this case, if you will substitute the values in, but let's label them. This will be x1 and y1. Let's call this point x2 and y2. So negative 3 minus 0 over 0 minus 3. So if you will substitute these, if you will just calculate it, this becomes negative 3 over negative 3, which is positive 1. So the slope of ML is positive 1, and the slope of MT, the line T, has to be also 1, since they are parallel to each other. So after this point, we're going to continue with a different color pen or the solution. So we need to find the slope of, the equation of the T. We will use point slope formula, y minus y1, m times x minus x1. So in this formula, we know that this line T is passing through this point, and the coordinates of this point is 0 and 2. And I'm going to substitute in here, y minus y1, which is 2, and the slope is 1, and x minus 0. So technically, if you will do this calculations, this is just 1x, and we'll add 2 both sides, and the y will be equals to x plus 2. So this is the equation of the line T, y equals x plus 2. So we didn't find this equation of the line L, but if you need it, you can also find it, because you know that its slope is 1. I'm going to use a different color for that. So the slope is 1, and we will use the same formula, y minus y1. So y1, we need to pick one point. Let's use this point to find the equation of the line L. So y minus y1, which is 0, and x is 1, slope is 1, and x minus 3. And this will be equals to y, if we'll distribute this, x minus 3. So the equation of the line L is y equals x minus 3. You weren't supposed to find this, but you didn't need to, but I just wanted to show you that. And if you can pay attention, their slopes are equal. The slope is, let me use a different color for that. The slope is the number in front of the x when y is by itself, which is 1. This is 1. So the slopes are equal to each other. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.